Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily contact LinkedIn's customer support. So here's the only way that I can see that you can reach out to them without logging into your account. So all you have to do in your search bar just or your browser just type this link business.linkedin.com then slash talent dash solutions then slash contact dash us, then you will be redirected to this page. So all you have to do is just look for this window, this small window, then click on looking for help and support, and you will be redirected to this page, and all you have to do is fill in all the necessary details such as your first name, last name, email, and issue type. Just choose the type of issue that you're encountering and also input a subject and question. You can also add an attachment to back up your concern. Then once done, just click on submit, and don't forget also to verify your identity. So that's how you can easily contact LinkedIn. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!